Wireless VR headsets, freedom in virtual reality. Wireless VR headsets, freedom in virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, technology has taken the world by storm, captivating users with its ability to transport them to immersive digital environments. With the rapid advancements in technology, VR experiences have become more accessible and affordable for everyday users. One major innovation in the VR space is the introduction of wireless VR headsets, which provide users with a new level of freedom. Immersion in virtual reality. In this article, we will explore the benefits, challenges, and future potential of wireless VR headsets. Wireless VR headsets offer users the convenience of being untethered from a computer or gaming console, allowing them to move freely within their virtual environment. This eliminates the need for some cables and tethers, creating a more seamless and immersive experience. Traditional wired VR headsets required users to be tethered to a computer, limiting their movement and reducing immersion. With wireless VR headsets, users can now have a full range of motion, enabling them to explore virtual worlds and interact with objects in a more natural and intuitive way. One of the key advantages of wireless VR headsets is the ease of setup and use. Unlike wired headsets, which require complex cable management and a dedicated space, wireless headsets can be set up easily and used in any location. This makes wireless VR headsets ideal for casual gaming or entertainment purposes, as they can be easily transported and used in different rooms or even outdoors. The simplicity of setup and portability also makes wireless VR headsets a great option for bringing VR experiences to events and social gatherings. Another benefit of wireless VR headsets is the increased comfort they provide. With no cables restricting movement or causing discomfort, users can enjoy extended VR sessions without feeling restricted. This is particularly important for VR gaming enthusiasts who may spend hours immersed in virtual worlds. Additionally, wireless headsets are often lighter and less bulky than their wired counterparts, making them more comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. While wireless VR headsets offer many advantages, they also present a set of challenges. One major challenge is the limited battery life. Unlike wired headsets that draw power directly from the computer, wireless headsets rely on internal batteries, which have a limited capacity. Depending on the model, the battery life of wireless VR headsets can vary from a few hours to several hours. This may that users may need to take breaks or recharge the headset during longer VR sessions. However, advancements in battery technology are continually being made, and we can expect longer battery life in future iterations of wireless VR headsets. Another challenge is the potential for latency and lag in wireless VR headsets. Due to the wireless transmission of data between the headset and the computer or console, there can be a slight delay in the rendering and display of virtual environments. While this delay is generally minimal, it can still impact the overall experience, especially in fast-paced games where quick reaction times are crucial. However, companies are actively working on reducing latency and improving wireless transmission technologies to provide a more seamless and responsive VR experience. The future potential of wireless VR headsets is promising. As technology continues to advance, we can expect improvements in wireless transmission speeds, battery life, and overall performance. This will result in even more immersive and realistic virtual experiences. Companies are also exploring the integration of other technologies, such as eye tracking and haptic feedback, to further enhance the sense of presence and immersion in VR. Additionally, the development of 5G networks will enable faster and more reliable wireless connections, unlocking new possibilities for wireless VR applications. With wireless VR headsets, users can truly explore and interact with virtual worlds in a way that was previously limited by cables and wires. The convenience and ease of use make wireless VR headsets accessible to a wider audience, allowing more people to experience the wonders of virtual reality. In terms of gaming, wireless VR headsets provide a whole new level of immersion. Gamers can now physically dodge, duck, and dive without worrying about getting tangled in cables. This adds a whole new dimension to gameplay and makes the experience much more realistic and engaging. Additionally, the wireless nature of these headsets opens up opportunities for multiplayer experiences, where friends can interact and compete in virtual environments. Wireless VR headsets are not just limited to gaming. They have also found applications in various industries such as healthcare, education, and training. In the healthcare sector, for example, these headsets can be used for surgical simulations, allowing medical professionals to practice complex procedures in a virtual environment. In the field of education, wireless VR headsets can bring history, science, and other subjects to life, offering students an immersive and interactive learning experience. Training simulations for various industries, such as aviation and manufacturing, can also benefit from the freedom and flexibility provided by wireless VR headsets. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect wireless VR headsets to become even more advanced and versatile. The integration of eye tracking technology, for example, could enhance the user experience by allowing for more natural interactions within the virtual environment. Haptic feedback, which provides touch sensations, is another area that could greatly enhance immersion and realism. In VR, these advancements, coupled with improvements in wireless transmission speeds and battery life, will undoubtedly push the boundaries of what is possible in virtual reality. In addition to the aforementioned benefits, wireless VR headsets also have the potential to revolutionize the field of social interaction. With the ability to connect with other users in virtual environments, individuals can engage in shared experiences, collaborate on projects, or simply hang out in virtual spaces. This opens up exciting possibilities for long-distance communication and socialization, allowing people to connect and bond in ways that were previously limited by physical distance. Furthermore, wireless VR headsets have the potential to disrupt traditional entertainment industries such as movies and theater. With the ability to create immersive and interactive experiences, film makers and content creators can develop virtual reality content that goes beyond traditional storytelling. Users can become active participants in the narrative, exploring different storylines and making choices that impact the outcome. This convergence of virtual reality and entertainment has the potential to change the way we consume and engage with media. However, as with any emerging technology, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One such challenge is the cost. While wireless VR headsets have become more affordable in recent years, they still require a significant investment. This can limit the accessibility of the technology for some users, particularly those in lower income brackets. As the technology continues to evolve and